Okay, so my name is Ashley, and we're going to be solving, well, not solving the function. We're going to be graphing this function, and we're going to see, I'm going to show you which way it moves or how it shifts throughout the on the graph. So how it's going to shift. um, Shifting on the graph because of this one right here. It's going to move down one, and with this minus one, to figure out where it goes, usually you can equal it out to 0. This is x equals +1. It's going to go right on the graph. Right one. Alright, we also have to find the intercepts because we're going to graph the function. How we find the intercept is setting it to 0. So we're gonna find the y-intercept first. We're going to g of x equals 0 minus 1 to the 5th power minus 1, which equals -1 5th power minus 1, or y equals -2. Y equals -2, so the intercept is 0, -2. And then to find the x, we're going to set the y to 0. So the 0 equals x minus 1 to the 5th power minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. So we have 1 equals x minus 1 to the 5th power. We're going to fifth root it. Oops, sorry. And this is still going to be 1. This is going to be x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. X equals 2. So the intercept for this one is 2, 0. Alright, now we know it is going down 1, right 1. Our intercepts are 0, -2, and 2, 0. Now I'm just going to erase this so I can have some room. Alright. Sorry, I dropped my marker. Okay. Now we want to graph it, but we should find some points first. So I'm going to make a table. So we have the x's and the y's. Let's do 3, 2, 1, 0. So if we plug a 3 into x minus 1 to the 5th power minus 1, you're going to get 31. If you plug in a 2, you get 0. 1, you get -1. 0, you get -2. If you do plug in a 1, you get -33. You can see it. Sorry. Alright, so there's your table. Now let's graph it. Alright, so we have -1, 1, 2, and 3. So for 0, we have -2, 1, 2. For negative 1, we have negative 33. I'll just make this negative 33. There you go. And then we have 1. 1 is negative 1. There you go. 2 is 0. And 3 is 31. We'll just make 31 right there. Then you graph it. And there you go. That's all you have to do. And if you think about it, here's our intercept. Our intercept was 0, negative 2, and 2, 0. There are intercepts. And that's all you have to do. Find the intercept, know which way, except for the fact now, instead of, because usually it looks like this. And this is how it shifted. So that's all. Find the intercept. Both intercepts y and x. See if it goes down or up and right or left. Get your coordinates and plug it in and make a graph, and that's it. I hope this helps.